Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change delivery address on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is first of all go ahead and access your Amazon shopping app in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're simply gonna find this kind of interface in your home section. What you're gonna do afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on this option called Me over here with the little profile icon. Now simply go ahead, tap on this option called Your Account over here. Once you have done so, you will find all of this kind of information, including all of the settings. What you're going to do afterwards, simply going to go ahead, tap on this account settings section, Your Addresses option below. Here it will show your current address that you have been using. If you wanted to simply change a particular existing one, you can tap on this edit option beside below the existing address. Now you can change whatever you would like to here in this section, and once you're done, tap on the save changes. It will save the new address for you. And if you would like to just remove and add the new one, you can tap on this remove option, which will remove your existing. Let's say we tap on this remove option, it will ask the confirmation. Tap on this yes, you will be able to remove your another address, and tap on this add a new address option, and you will be able to add a new address for yourself. So this is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next